Welcome to DirectShifts. In this video, we'll learn how to submit your sick time off (STO) and paid time off (PTO) timesheets in the DirectShifts app. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, please download DirectShifts from the App Store or Play Store. Once the app is open, tap the menu drawer and select the Timesheet module. Now, tap Add New Timesheet. In the Work Log or Time Off section, choose Time Off. Next, tap Add to create a new entry. In Entry Type, select Timesheet Entry. Then, choose your clock in and clock out times for the same day. Under Shift Type, select Sick Time Off for your STO timesheet and tap Add. To submit a paid time off (PTO) timesheet, follow the same steps. Tap Add, select Timesheet Entry, set your clock in and clock out time. And under Shift Type, choose Paid Time Off, then tap Add. Once you've reviewed your entries, tap Submit to send your timesheet. Thanks for watching.